Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Zach here, and it's time for another Shiba Inu update. And we've had some good things happening in the last couple of days. Of course, we're still waiting on some big catalysts. One would be the ShibaSwap, which we're hopefully going to get some news and information on that soon. It's been pretty quiet right now out of the Shib's official Twitter account. We'll go over that, talk a little bit about some of the numbers there, and how I think that could be a nice catalyst as well as we're growing the community. But also, there's been some rumblings about a Robinhood or perhaps a Coinbase maybe adding Shiba Inu at some point. I personally think Robinhood would be a perfect match. Everything right now, pure speculation in terms of, will this type of asset like a Shiba Inu, another meme coin like Dogecoin, be added to Robinhood? I could see it working, right? Because Robinhood was the first to add Doge. One of the first brokerages to add Doge, and it seems like obviously it's worked out really well. So I know there's a petition going around for adding Shiba Inu to Robinhood. We've talked about it on our live stream. I myself have signed that petition. Other people in our community have as well. Pretty easy to find that, so make sure you get out there and do your part in that regard. So before we get into it, the specifics of Shiba Inu, kind of what we're looking at right now. Just want to get this out of the way. This is not financial advice, just for entertainment and informational purposes only. So take everything here today with a grain of salt. Use it wisely in your research, and then also listen to some other people out there in the YouTube space or online, and get your information from a lot of different places before you make final decisions. So before we get into Shiba Inu, I'd like to just talk about the entire market and as it relates to Shib. So right now we're seeing a nice increase over the past day, and a lot of things are green right now. So the market is up right now. Cardano, Binance Coin, both up nearly 12%. Bitcoin was just up over 40,000 not too long ago. It's fell back since then, but could be climbing back up there again here soon. Dogecoin is up, Polkadot up. How about our beloved Polygon? Really having a nice resurgence, up almost 50%. Chainlink back up over $30. This thing was below 20 the other day. Scroll down here, take a look at Shib. We're just out of the top 30 right now. Shiba Inu is in the 32nd spot, up 8% here on the 24-hour period. But look at the 7-day price now. Okay, after that crash that happened on the 19th, now we're sitting at a nice increase here the past week, about 18%. So could we be seeing, a major breakout here soon? We'll have to see. That was one of the things that we talked about in our last update about Shiba Inu. If it follows these historical trends that we've seen, we could be due for a breakout here soon. In terms of the overall following numbers on Twitter, I like to look at this, up over 520. SafeMoon's got over 800,000, just to kind of give you a reference point. But Shib continues to add to their following here on Twitter. And I know they're adding to their following elsewhere too, whether it be on Discord and Reddit and other platforms like that. So that's always good to see. But I'll jump into my messages here and pull this up for anybody who didn't see this in the last update. Mark Jansen, one of the people that we have in our community, who always is adding some great information and insight. And we take a look at this screenshot here. I did mention this on the last live stream, or the last Shiba Inu update, but for those of you who missed that one, this was some great insight here. Spike in January, drops 90%, consolidates for 26 days, big spike, okay? Spike in March, drops 70%, consolidates for 25 days this time, next spike, even bigger. Same thing happens in April, drops 77%, consolidates for 16 days, next spike, $2,800. So if history does repeat itself here in May, we could be looking at perhaps, after this price drop, as it's now resurging and coming back up the last week, we could be in for some consolidation for a while. That would be good. And then potentially a next spike or a next breakout. Of course, there could be another catalyst that could help us get there as well. So let's take a look at this article here. Shiba Inu coin to siege the future market for its standing dynamics. Shiba Inu to pit against other high-profile coins. This article just coming out today. Shiba is going places. Coin in the future is the going places coin in the future. The main plunk of its releasing to dub the Doge killer. Its decentralized cryptocurrency initial release by 2020 by Roshi almost 9 months ago. Market cap 6.5 billion. That might be a little bit off in terms of where we're at right now. Right now we're at 3.8 billion here on CoinMarketCap. But you know, they talk about a little bit of the future expectancy of raising up to 1,000x in the near future. Bear in mind that Shiba is a coin designed for those who do not exhaust to keep it at a full length of time. In fact, it's a coin, you know, that really could be offloaded quickly. And we've seen that. We've seen the major, you know, spikes in price because people, you know, the pump and dump, right? There are a lot of people who are long-term holding this as well. So rule of thumb is an expert in the signals of marketing calculation is before 5 days ago with plain remarks of rising value for SafeSpace.coin. So just another meme coin that's rising up the charts. So it's just a quick article that I found on the Shiba Inu coin. This one from Benzinga, a little bit better of a source. Shiba Inu outperforms Dogecoin. Other dog-themed coins. This was as of yesterday. Really had a nice day. Over the last couple days. Shiba Inu has gained over Dogecoin as cryptocurrencies recover from the dramatic crash over the past few days. Traded 17% higher yesterday in the 24-hour span. And, you know, a lot of people are talking about this too. There are a few other these, you know, Doge type coins or dog memed coins that they're talking about. Kishu Inu, which recently passed over 1 billion. A couple other here, Underdog, Ren Doge. So we're still waiting for a major catalyst, right? And we go back to Twitter and we can see that it's been pretty quiet. Actually, we'll take a look at this article here before we jump over to Twitter. Shiba Inu price prediction, despite its sideways trading, Shib may record a 20% rally. This article coming out today. So another article showing perhaps some technical signs that we could see a potential breakout soon. But again, hard to give technical analysis on, number one, a meme coin. Number two, a coin that hasn't been around too long, right? But we do have some history. That infographic that I showed you early on in the video does indicate that we could potentially get a breakout here potentially soon. If it does consolidate for a bit, I think that would only help in having that next breakout occur after the consolidation. So Shiba Inu's price action not showing any clear direction as it's recording sideways, trading in a narrow range, which could be good. Again, if we go back to that infographic, despite the ongoing indecisiveness, Shiba Inu appears likely to gather a minor upsurge that will retest crucial price regions for the third time. I've said here on the channel a few times that I think if we get some big news, whether it be ShibaSwap or Robinhood adding or both, I think we can get back to all-time highs. I think, and then from there, maybe consolidate for a while and then slowly kind of boost up from there. So this is one I hold, guys. I hold 30 million Shib. I'm completely upfront with all of you. I don't have a ton, I guess. I know a lot of people have, you know, a lot more than that. Some people have a lot less than that, and that's okay. I just thought it was something I wanted to be a part of. It was interesting enough for me to throw a little bit in there and have some fun with this. And really, I mean, this is what it's all about, right? Doge and Shib. These are fun things to be a part of because they're community-based coins where, you know, you're kind of rallying together in hopes that, you know, things go green and get really wild out there, right? So it hit the all-time high back on May 10th. Shiba Inu has been following a descending line since then, but here in the recent week or so, nice increase in price for us after hitting those lows. All right, so let's go take a look at the coin market cap real quick for Shib. So we're looking at right here, 3.8, almost 3.9 billion in market cap. We'll take a look at the chart, what it's doing at the time of this recording. So Shib on the 24-hour period right now has got up as high as 10.48, and we've 8.9 has been the low point. 0.898 has been the low point here in the 24-hour period. And as we pull down this drop-down menu, if it'll get down for us, market rank right now, number 32. There's the charts. It's been fluctuating anywhere from, you know, 28 to 32 a lot in the last few weeks, right? And I talked about a couple weeks ago, can we stay in the top 30? And I think, you know, we're hovering around that mark still, which I think is great to see, right? We're still remaining relevant. Guys, anytime a coin is in the top 30 or roughly the top 30 for this long, you continue to you know, add some new people that are interested in it because people come to CoinMarketCap and look at these coins, right? They're keeping track of it very closely. So right now, a little bit of a downtrend right now as we speak here, looking at the charts. But we've had some pretty good resistance here down at the 0.08 level a few times here, where it's got down and bounced off here in the last 24 hours. So we'll have to see where this goes the rest of the day. Hopefully we get some good news soon, guys. We're waiting on ShibaSwap, waiting on things like Robinhood, perhaps other celebrities to endorse it. And that's the update I've got for you now. If you like this video and like some other content on the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and I would appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one.